Mobility trends are rapidly evolving, and the smart scooters of today are at the forefront of this revolution. In this video, we will be looking at 15 smart mobility scooters that you should definitely check out, with designs that are not only sleek, but also highly comfortable and packed with features to make your life more convenient. Be it foldable or all-terrain scooters, there are some exciting developments in this area of technology. Number 1. Pride Mobility Revo 2.0. The Pride Mobility Revo 2.0 is meant for individuals who need a travel scooter that does not sacrifice either comfort or the toughness of full-sized mobility scooters. The toughness of the scooter is achieved through the sturdy frame, large wheels, and comfort track suspension system that provides a steady ride on sidewalks, parking lots, and rough terrains. One unique feature of this scooter is feather touch disassembly, which enables it to be taken apart into lightweight pieces that can easily be transported and stored. While being portable, this mobility scooter still provides a good load-carrying capacity and reliable performance on a day-to-day basis. There is an LED light that increases the visibility of this device when using it at night. Ergonomic controls, adjustable seat, and under-seat storage make this mobility scooter perfect for shopping. Number 2. VOCIC D62 ACEturn. The VOCIC D62 ACEturn represents a contemporary concept of personal mobility through a combination of smart technologies and comfort. The futuristic appearance of the device is complemented by the strong dual motor, ensuring that there will be no problems with moving around and making short trips within the community. There are many distinctive features of the scooter, one of which is the gravity-sensing smart seat, activating the vehicle once the rider is seated. Besides, the scooter comes equipped with NFC access, adjustable armrests, and comfortable seating. In addition, there is the dual shock suspension that smooths out the bumpy rides on sidewalks and rough paths, as well as the smart hill assist technology that gives additional control on the slopes and hills. Number 3. Sterling S50 Carbon. The Sterling S50 Carbon is a mobility scooter that caters to the needs of users who desire to enjoy the benefits of a lightweight machine without sacrificing comfort and functionality. With the use of a complete carbon fiber structure, this machine is very easy to carry, transport, and store. It can be folded very quickly with the help of an instant folding mechanism. The process does not involve any dismantling of different parts. This portable electric scooter has been designed with comfort in mind, which means that you will have sufficient footroom and comfortable seating along with cornering assistance. The front and rear LEDs add more to the safety and performance of this machine, while the battery of the machine is airline-friendly. Number 4. CareCo Zoom Pro. The CareCo Zoom Pro mobility scooter is intended for people requiring a portable scooter that provides comfort and stability while being easy to use on a day-to-day basis. The lightweight and easy disassembly process allow this scooter to be easily carried in the car and stored inside. In contrast to other small travel scooters, the Zoom Pro is equipped with both front and back suspensions that allow for a comfortable ride over pavement, pathways, and any kind of road surface. Other advantages include comfortable swivel seat, puncture-proof tires, and the intuitive Delta Tiller controls that increase the ease of control and handling. With good maneuverability and reasonable travel distance, it is an efficient scooter for both indoors and outdoors and can successfully handle narrow turns in shops. Number 5. Boomerbuggy X Pro. The Boomerbuggy X Pro sets a new benchmark in personal mobility by combining the utility of a mobility scooter with the comfort of an electric vehicle. With an all-weather covered cockpit, the scooter offers protection from rain, wind, and extreme heat or cold weather, thus making it usable in all seasons and for longer travels. It incorporates premium features that are usually not present in a regular mobility scooter, including power windows, air conditioning, heater, LED lights, and multimedia display. Equipped with a powerful electric engine and a travel range, it makes an ideal vehicle for around-town trips, grocery shopping, or commuting to work or school. With a durable four-wheel base, reliable braking system, and smooth ride, the scooter provides comfort and safety in all situations. Number 6. Baja Wrangler 2. Baja Wrangler 2 scooter is specifically made for people who need real freedom off-road. The Baja Wrangler 2 is a product of the Baja Mobility Company, a brand of Pride Mobility. This scooter emphasizes toughness, durability, and all-terrain ability. The tough design makes it able to pass gravel, dirt tracks, grass, and even different kinds of landscapes that regular mobility scooters cannot withstand. With its 2-drive motor system and shock-absorbing system, this scooter provides reliable stability and control even when moving on irregular terrain. The pneumatic wheels assure good traction for a better sense of security in different outdoor conditions. Comfort is another aspect that this mobility scooter takes care of by offering a comfortable seat, adjustable armrests, and steering damping. With the advanced LED screen and lighting system, the Baja Wrangler 2 provides great safety features. Number 7. Scoozy Sterling S800. The Scoozy Sterling S800 offers a contemporary approach to individual transport, which combines the comfort of a scooter with bike-like controls. The development of this device was done in partnership between Scoozy and Sunrise Medical, and the vehicle is intended for individuals who want a more engaging and natural riding experience indoors as well as outdoors. The Scoozy S800 has not a tiller but bike-like handlebars with a thumb throttle, hand brakes, and cruise control. This makes the scooter easier to control and ride. Thanks to its big 18-inch wheels and advanced suspension system, the Scoozy S800 easily manages to ride on gravel, grass, and other challenging surfaces, maintaining stability and control. A high-capacity lithium battery powers the scooter, providing you with a long-range capability needed for extensive outdoor rides. Number 8. GIO Tron Pro. The GIO Tron Pro is an amazing and luxurious scooter that is intended for people who require more than ordinary transport assistance. It provides a feeling of solidity due to the impressive automotive look as well as four-wheels design, which provides maximum stability when used on the road. Being built for longer distance transportation, this scooter provides a high performance level and allows you to travel up to 45 miles on a single charge of battery, which makes it perfect for using every day. The most remarkable feature of this device is the special seat design with recline support, sliding and cushioning features to make your traveling more comfortable. This scooter is equipped with special ergonomic controls and adjustable steering to provide a more comfortable position when using it. In addition to this, the 600-watt motor and suspension/pneumatic tires will help you get a better riding experience. Number 9. WHILL Model R. WHILL Model R is an example of a contemporary mobility scooter that takes a very intelligent and vehicle-like approach to personal autonomy. As opposed to typical scooters, its design revolves around precise control and management, handling, and stability for urban terrain. Being equipped with dual motors, the WHILL Model R allows moving the front wheels separately and hence makes sharp maneuvers easy when navigating crowded locations like shopping malls, sidewalks, or even indoors. This results in superb responsiveness and intuitiveness. Moreover, it features a stabilizer system that comes along with independent suspension to minimize the wobbling and thus improve comfort while traversing rough terrain. It is built for convenience and therefore is easy to disassemble within several seconds for portability or storage purposes. Furthermore, it offers decent traveling distance, excellent load-bearing capabilities, and moderate weather protection, and hence is perfect for everyday city use. Number 10. iCAN X15. This scooter is made for those customers who do not need long-distance travel but care about portability, easy handling, and convenient design. It features an ultralight foldable mechanism that enables you to fast fold it to a suitcase-like size and then roll it around. It is driven by a 24-volt, 270-watt motor with light lithium battery and offers stable performance in terms of short trips, movement indoors, running errands, etc. This scooter is suitable for pavement usage due to its Class 2 speed, about 4 miles per hour. The joystick control system will help you to control it easily, especially if you prefer using this particular method. In addition, it features some extras such as electromagnetic braking, LED lights, and stable forewheels. Number 11. Paiseec L5. The Paiseec L5 is intended to help people looking for a light and portable mobility scooter that will easily adapt to modern life. Due to its foldable construction, the scooter can be quickly folded up in the manner of a suitcase, which means that it can be easily stored in the trunk of a car, carried while traveling, or kept anywhere in small premises. As it was created to be highly portable, its weight does not exceed 32 to 37 pounds depending on the model. It uses a powerful 250-watt brushless motor and is perfect for shorter to medium distances, as it can reach a maximum speed of 5 to 6 miles per hour and move 15 miles on one charge. Also, the removable lithium battery provides an opportunity to charge it any time during a trip. Number 12. Scoozy C. Scoozy C is a new age device that combines the driving style of a small EV with the ease of a mobility scooter. It has been designed in the Netherlands, aiming to provide users more freedom, control, and comfort in moving around cities or on light outdoor surfaces. Unlike regular scooters that feature standard handlebars, it utilizes an advanced joystick control system, allowing the user to steer, accelerate, and brake with one hand only, thus providing more assistance for those who have some disabilities. This model is designed with performance in mind and has a top speed of up to 15 km per hour. The battery configuration provides the ability to drive at long distances. Large 16-inch wheels and independent suspension system give it stability when traveling over non-even and steep terrains. Number 13. Roma Shoprider Havana. Roma Shoprider Havana is a reliable mobility scooter which is aimed at those consumers who seek comfort, stability, and road-ready performance. The scooter is constructed according to Class 3 category under Shoprider brand name, giving its owners the opportunity to drive it not only on pavements but also on roads if allowed, increasing their possibilities of moving around. Comfort is provided by a fully adjustable captain-style seat, swivel feature, padded armrests, and backrest. The scooter's performance is focused on stability rather than speed, having 2 speed modes for driving in different conditions. The suspension and pneumatic tires will soften the ride on the uneven surface, and a powerful engine and convenient battery installation will make medium-distance trips possible. Such safety elements as full lighting system, indicators, mirrors, and a horn are installed. Number 14. Monarch Storm Mobility Scooter. The Monarch Storm Mobility Scooter is a very robust Class 3 scooter that provides the necessary power, comfort, and long distance all at once. Manufactured by Monarch Mobility, this product can be used on both pavements and roads if allowed. Driven by the highly efficient 1,650-watt motor, it can travel at a speed of up to 8 miles per hour and has dual 75-ampere-hour batteries that provide a long range of around 24 miles, depending on the situation. The emphasis is on comfort because it has both front and rear suspension, big 14-inch wheels, and a wide padded seat with backrest. It also has the Delta tiller control that allows you to handle it easily for long distances. The safety system includes full lights, indicators, mirrors, and a horn. Number 15. FORCEMECH Arc. FORCEMECH Arc is one of the most luxurious mobility power chairs combining modernity and engineering into a perfect package. This mobility power chair is created by FORCEMECH Company and is awarded a Red Dot Design Award, which testifies about its exquisite appearance and intelligent functionalities. As for the type of a power chair, it is a compact power chair, not a scooter. It is characterized by high level of control and ease of use and comfort. It is equipped with dual 300-watt brushless motors and moves easily indoor and outdoor at the speed up to 4 miles per hour and provides you with 15-mile distance from one full charge of a battery. The Arc is controlled with a joystick and guarantees you easy and fast movement in any direction. It can make a complete circle. There are such comfort features as a reclining seat, ergonomic cushioning, adjustable and folding armrests. And that's the end of our list of 15 intelligent mobility scooters that you simply have to check out. Which one do you like best? Let us know in the comments section below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable your notifications to see more incredible mobility technology videos. Stay tuned.